Hi guys, welcome back to the Sonic Oasis. My name is Mfundo, and today I bring to you something that I'm really excited about. It's a granular sound effect and it's called Motion Fractal, made by Excite Audio. So the main components of the sound effect is a dual layer granular engine, a reactive trance gate, and stutter repeat effects. So this is perfect for creating ambience, motion, and texture. I would place this in the creative sound effects category because it really transforms your sound in a creative way. And it's more of a sound design tool, at least that's how I use it. And in some ways, it does compete with the microcosm pedal, but of course at a way lower price. And talking about price, this currently retails for 79 US dollars. It does go on special now and again on Plugin Boutique, but the normal price is usually $79. There is a light version as well if you're looking for something a little bit cheaper. I have to mention that I am not being sponsored or being paid by Excite Audio to make this video, but I do have an affiliate link in the description if you are already interested in purchasing this sound effect. By using my link, you will be supporting this channel at no extra cost to you. Yeah, I've prepared some sound examples for you to hear what this sounds like, and I hope you enjoy. So that was Motion Fractal by Excite Audio. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate a subscription. It really helps grow this channel, and a like will always boost the video in the algorithm, so that's also highly appreciated. I'd like to give a huge shout out to our Patreon subscribers. You guys really help support this channel, and I really appreciate you all. And that's all from me in this video. Stay tuned for the next one. I will see y'all in the next one. Cheers.